I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today we have a great Snap-on Smile case. It's a patient that's had a missing tooth for quite some time, and she is ready for a new smile. So I can't wait to see her reaction. This is a model. We do digital impressions, no more goop, of the patient's existing smile. There's no tooth here. So she has not worn a flip or anything for quite some time. We made the Snap-on Smile. It's not only going to replace the missing tooth, but it's also to create a more cosmetic enhancement of her existing teeth. Now this appliance just fits directly over existing teeth. There's no glue, there's no adhesives. It's removable. Just an amazing Snap-on Smile. So we're going to go ahead and take a look in her mouth. Go ahead and bite down. So no tooth. We got to put a tooth there, and also we want to get wider teeth and turn to the left. We have a gap here. Turn towards me. Open big. So her teeth are fairly straight. She was a good candidate because her teeth are small. The smaller teeth are your best candidates for this appliance. We're not doing the lower, so we didn't make a great contrast between her upper and lower teeth. Getting a little emotional because she hadn't seen it yet, so I can't wait. Let's go ahead and open. We're going to go ahead and place this directly over her existing teeth, and it literally snaps into place. You can see the contrast. You can see where we've replaced the tooth. Snaps into place. Bite down, smile, pull back, and you can see what an amazing difference this appliance is going to make for her. All right, so she hasn't seen it. I know you're nervous. I can see it. I can see how nervous you are. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Turn the mirror over.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It looks like my mom's teeth.
Aww.
It looks like my mom's teeth.
Back in business, honey. Back in business.
Oh my God.
And you've got children, so they're going to be excited to see this as well, because you've been going without that tooth for such a long time. It's beautiful. Aren't you glad you did it?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can take pictures now and smile and not put my hand over my mouth. Oh my God.
You like it?
Yes.
It's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. So it's removable. It's it's just, it's the best. I love this appliance.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. And they're straight.
Yeah. And they look real. I mean, if you look at the gum, look how they fit at the gum line. They look like veneers, really.
Thank you so much. I'm about to jump out my chest.
I wish you could have seen her face, but she didn't want her face revealed. This woman is like ecstatic, and this is what makes our job so rewarding. Snap-on Smile, we change people's lives every day. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady.